Hello to all the food enthusiasts out there. Today we are adding an exciting twist to traditional fast food by making mini cheeseburgers as pull-apart bread. Here is what you need. You'll need canned buttermilk biscuits, some shredded cheese, fresh green onions, and crispy bacon. You could also use black forest ham, which works great, and we'll need mini meatballs. You can make them yourself using various recipes. I'll link one at the end and in the info box. Or if you're in a hurry, you can use store-bought ones. First, heat a small amount of oil in the pan, making sure it's evenly and thoroughly distributed. The ham has enough fat on its own, so just toss it in and fry it until crispy. Once it's how you like it, cut it into small pieces. Now onto the green onions, which add a nice flavor. Slice the green onions into rings. Now let's get started with the preparation. First, open the can of biscuits. They can be a bit stubborn sometimes. Once it pops open, take out the dough pieces, spread them out on a flat surface, and cut them in half for easier handling. Flatten each dough piece. Rolling works too. They don't need to be perfectly round or exact in shape. Add some cheese on top, then place the ham pieces carefully and gently on each individual one. Finally, place a mini meatball on top and wrap the dough around it from the sides so everything is enclosed neatly. Press the dough together to seal it securely and firmly. Make sure it's nicely sealed, and repeat with the rest of the dough pieces. Now grab a bundt pan. It doesn't have to be silicone, as any kind will do. Grease it a bit with some butter or oil, then arrange your mini cheeseburger bombs inside the pan, placing about half of them first. Once they're in, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese and sliced green onions over them for added flavor. Then add the second half of the bombs, spreading them evenly so they cook uniformly and all come out perfect and delicious. Sprinkle more cheese and the rest of the green onions on top. Press it down slightly to keep everything in place, then pop it in the oven. Bake at 350 F for 30 to 35 minutes, keeping an eye on it. Mine took 35 minutes to reach perfection. Our pull-apart bread looks delicious and is ready to serve with an amazing smell. Carefully remove it from the pan to keep it intact, then add a generous amount of ketchup and mustard. Cut it into pieces for serving. The flavorful filling in the biscuit dough is truly delicious and offers a unique fast food concept everyone will enjoy and love. It's perfect for a party or a big gathering where you want to impress your guests. Enjoy making it, and bon appetit. See you next time. Bye bye, and take care.